Good morning, class. As always, I miss you so much, and I can't wait until we're all together again. Um, on the Today is your first day of using the new website, so I hope that you guys are able to navigate it. If you need help, let me know. I'm here to help you. For your book report, that's one thing that I'm sure I'll get a lot of questions on. Some of you guys did the news article already. That's fine. Go on Flipgrid and show us your news article. If you didn't do the news article, then I left other instructions on there of some things that I want you to talk about, okay? Just record it on Flipgrid, put it on there. I'm going to go through and watch them. You're welcome to watch other people's as well. Um, there's the daily schedule on there. That's kind of like our planner. Make sure you look over that. Make sure you get everything done. There's links on everything. If anything has you log in, just log in with your Granite SD account, okay? I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're able to do something fun and outdoors this week. And I hope you're getting along with your siblings. And I hope you're helping your parents out at home. And I hope you know that I love you guys and I miss you guys. And I cannot wait until we are together again back in our classroom. Bye, guys. Have a good week.